Na ye ba wakwa movie ma now ni say world of entertainment. Gracias, world of entertainment ye chegwo ye fata oni no sumu no. Jadibi esomo. Meaning the Sandra or Hemi Ametiwa. Ajuma nyame adom. Sister Sandy B. Nyame adom entertainment am ye Ghana for chiremu a. Mea mene guy no. What are you saying? We a guy. Bompire kai easy. I match sorry na busia. Like play easy. Hey. Yeah, sorry I match be how many years, but still I say yeah no ani kum. I can't say you cry. Nigina we no one sem de be pie mu a. Ye ka na no resa ne mea chia me di dwumade ne ho chia me ma sem ba ya mea metoton me ho. Na wo se hu say wo de ebe pie mu ha obe busy. And ya mpesa moti ase say a game. Anye personal issue. De bia meka say mu bi wo kwa me hu mu da. Na de bia me sa ka say industry wom kwa me sister Sandy me ni adamfo bia wo industry no aka say oh madam funi wa asamba me ka bia ma na me nka bi ma there be bia ya me gina ne no kra bia the truth and nothing else, facts only, no personal grudges because I don't know you. It's that me asamba ya me toton ya mutimi sa call comment section ase kosre ko di atem ya som responsibly or dokwan so ma som ola mi ke bom mo nyina sana do na tie na emom wo de eba ne e kan e ya gitum sa wate e ma re ho be di atem de me omudi matem za ma fa no e normal e agro tie ke ye konsem no so prek wate mole apostle get gangster enwa me ho na o tre me se sister about 9:30 p.m. Meko IG live. Now the album be banana minim se no ho asem kwa na nka wo koka. Sa amomo troli me nua na sa aka no. Ana me nua no ekotire mu. Wo kire mu o se nyame adom ne ho je. O ye very healthy. Sani ya me beka kire mu na no no. Sa guy no hwi ni ho eye no. Oh we bia wonim no nyonyom na wotie bia social so na wonim no. Na ya nim na ye ben no ka kire wo se. Ne ho ye wo so still ne ho nye. Hey. Ah well. And we'll call life could tell you okay why.
As some of will be one a home. Because anything will happen to anybody. Talking about my looks, bro, I'm okay. By the grace of God. I'm healthy. You know what I'm saying? I'm okay, I'm doing great. Yeah, it's too much negativity in this country. Yes, do food your pan piano, so obi food your pie piano. Obi ako food your boneno, and then I piano. You guys can do better. I mean, all of us, me too, a demon. But me, every day when I wake up, I try as much as possible to be like a better person. Oh, can't as some for obi one. I have home. Cause
I'm on your home die because you need to know. Onye ho da because woni woni hwe eyo Richmond woni na hosa abo woni na hosa abo na wo hwesa ni abran say da hak fefe ka say na wo hwe imfoni a omotwe ne mpantan pie ya it's a difference boom oh eya na say agenda no chenchina the agenda must agenda but people with talent ehia sa platform no people with talent here sa opportunity no but there be most of the bema bongo ideas idea chan abedin sim hu no it's about time fame no ye ma people with talent na enye wo no mo a se se yakọ tiji abaye oro ne no fo hu idea chan na wadamu ono so trend the din the idea chan most why ne buy your influencer we kafa why bia be fine ye to aso a Sanya say I say industry pe negativity no kre person na ekriado etimi ashoto se krom university wa hwehwe ato so ape na abaya no yenye se ye bemma no saa akwanya no ntina de bia no wode nani be kire alatafo ne ho no Obeje dey say AES African Energy Sector for etimi aye magazine e dey amana na ekwiado. Oh yeah, bonsema no. Kagana ni ka magazine bi Ghana na Ghana kwa sto magazine wo de. Ka mo atwa na tum. Say alata for na ye amani. Say dey utim say sune la ila aila la. One bacha so utim say all Ghana program ya be slim aye. Nya ye mon kam ho ne mpensan kopa no twa. Oso kra Ghana ni kakra wa be ye yi no. O ye ya na wo kwa alata home. But me tell say because we are paying her to slay on the alata carpet. See any ye na no say na ne ho twa. Obi bi sam say na battery shame na me say minim. Kona mini ho. This all buy bisa no. So now big congratulations to you. Yen share send you slay wa at the end of what say say menam na metete sana me kopie obi amponsa. I don't know ni abi mo bi wa life omo twetwe nkomo na na we futu ema wo no mo de omo ni to ne so we apeso yete se ono ana bibisa no tie bra quick na sister Vivian Jill o fe busy shebre sisi ameba.
You have to keep working at it for about 60,000 times or something.
Wow.
And people yeah. Jumo is like next in line. Jumo is very good. And he has his comedy specials out there and all of that. So all I'm saying is that, and he's an architect. He's an architect.
One big architect that we have no idea.
Yeah, he has a master's degree in architecture.
I'm telling you.
And that guy is one of the finest comedians. Yeah, from KNUST. Yeah. And so, if you have the passion, pursue it. Don't let anything stop you from doing it. Don't let anything stop you from doing it. And so, big ups to the young comedians, the people who even come into my inbox like, yo, I want to do comedy, you inspire me and all of that. Pick it up, pick a pen up, start writing jokes. Write. If you're a musician, if you're an artist, whatever talent you feel like is in you, people will start. When you start, people who know you will be like, now they're there. Now then, people will run you down.
Yeah.
And when you feel like you know what you are pursuing.
And Tisana Obi Amponsa and so Editumu. Yeah. Round of applause. Na the okana there are times nipa wanu masem either a be break you be and I say be show be nkwan. I say the din what I say you wanu masem dey be break ye din baba. But me kona obi comment as won say ya tro na no boy be call Twitter say opeso obi timi kwa say watch obanum DDT and abehye ho akonfo. Na ye wo say wo di agro ye wo say wo tro keke. Ade enchi won say wasen no wo say wani awu say potol. Mama no masem enye very kind. But your answer will be fair a sinetwani sister what say Vivian Jill. Obi friend say na pa wa bentin wo de omra wo betina ho no ye ready na yaka why ti ya besisi a Yvonne else change my what be our my we be kwa on so TV no change man ntina say fatwa ye nko Yvonne else homra start jo me ba why Yvonne Nelson also back in the day, I loved to shop. We all know because she was a fashionista. I was always checking websites to see what's new and trendy. I was younger and had my mind filled up with nothing but material things. Well, kids have a way of slapping such stupidity out of the way. Fast forward to today, I can't believe I did all that spending. I could have used that money wisely. So here we are. I present to you my pink bag, definitely more than 12 years old. I'm now throwing it away anytime soon, and it's thrown in my closet. I'm going to rock it till I hear it say Ajay. Okay. Bag in the studio, Nyanka Ajay. Tanya will try a bag in the say Coco a Chanel. Where Chanel? To chairman and fancy canto designer. Can we are a high dino? A for tenant association. Umisa cement bo, umisa yanria bo, umisa roofing sheet. Oh, now say we na say we no it me to anria. Jene. Oh, now no me fa taxi akokra bi. Na wo ka say wo no taxi twie ni mu ano, wetini asidan bebre pokua so call the man han. Na me say oh da, more time na time we dey. enye is a difference mo se meba difference bi nim de hian se wo betwa wo coat according to size ba pa pay kwale yo mo ba coat no etwi form na no hu mi TJ mi atade etwi form say ya it be dem kra yes dan obi bi sai stand no see dan hello enti no sawo de sa sika no ebeto designer kese de bia me cancer celebrities na o look up to no most of them they are being sponsored most of them either brand be sponsor no me say in Eagle mo ma mo niema bebre Eagle we fabric wholesale GH hair logistics e ma mi wi to mo say bebre nyem sika o mo say sister obi won so kra dia sponsor na a different sponsor papa no woni me no papa no so they wo didi o machi a bo hu an say wakoye de enye no anya heart attack won to mo boy oba na enye okon eno na mingina so aka cha say strong man hard work pays when I catch us say hard work doesn't pay. Let's take a look at the anchor for Eke Sana Mako. Congratulations, Neso. Same strong man, ya. Namuti Zino. Say Onishe. Listen up. Same rapper, ya. No bidding a fraud. Our denyum kataso. Namu the need chat, they all hustle genuinely. Hello? Strong man, yay! And I'm here when you she, and I'll stick you to the game. Now I say, no. On far laptop crane scene and in mobile so that a young strategy businesses shows are open. I won't have kind of shows and 1 year cranny FFO. Congrats, will be our IP. Bush show of villages. Bo or circles can move bush show 50,000. Now no crime friend show be 80,000. It's where I want to mentor. Now, bongo ideas, yes, my can't show. My can't show say, Wono, watch a show, I dream my donation. Because her son was bongo ideas, see, one truly strong man years ago. Now, Brano, etitini more room the hard work. Actor car, Lexus. What means SR5 petrol, baby, Sankwa, somewhat. Social and so say that's the Lexus NX 300 2.0 liter. Lease price is 450,000 Ghana cedis. That's 4.5 billion. Strong man makes that much from his rap. Who bisame? Lord have mercy. Buana umwa dia sema kacho. Who say bisa question? Anyway. Or yes, one was starting agenda na se was social. Na for true. I am imagine the mentality home. The mental health, I imagine home. I imagine the busia home, or your father or your kunu. Now way na strong man se media minu medisa agro no social no. Eso, a hena medjuma wo, a yenyum to menum to my family paper name pay me rest studio. Ba oh big up my American brothers. Strong man and perfect like on this one. Or say him for share. Now be who open so. A basso, a rhyme so. What I say? Ask the what? And no here needs to bump. I didn't be a man to a brandy. Oh, Mumbo, my strong man. Congratulations. What should I say? Hard work. It pays. What should I? Because as you might dang when you move free. And I did to. Obi bet me at 20 minutes a kwan no say me say ni say na me de toy. Ba wo no obi ani twia. So boy adwuma. O mumu ma no. Na say team ni fudie. Ba zi e me de pa bongo ideas dia. Mo sentim so na Vivian Jill by now de watena say. Yeah, that's sorry. I don't just say Ghana sini chani abaya sono ne ho fe. Vivian Jill, a American actress. Who just said blade what? Mumbo my sister no. I won't fair to na day. Na, as some of us started free say, school feeding program no. And idea was a benefit to sabita fraction and prejudice. Say I was a benefit to the poor, me boy. A idea. Yade mua, yade buam mo frano. For no more sabi be ni few cost ko bedidi. Since when? And a benefit man. obi botom. Since when? And a better benefit obi to make us say, Monkwan and person with that care. Nessa when you brady, who near Wokasa audio, Nessa when you brady. Nessa wono, o per care munada, engage maybe when you saw some Ghana. Netia sister no. Ebiana munim no. Ebia the only man say, with chestiny, or social so. On fanny near man to abon, tell say hiano, oh. See, hey, Vivian Jill, or Nam Hono de no. Vivian Jill, tie, Nakache Mary say, sister no, or de no. Any dino madaroma, and Vivian J. A Jill, spelly dimechi, Jill. Boom mano, no one see Adiano pay. Boom, 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 boom. Jano, once a year, the concern, say, Charlie, because never I could interview see jail, near jail, a jail. She said, and I make a say, Biana Munim ye. Obi said, me who comment and it was funny. When your politics, take politics out. Obi say, na Vivian dear, school feed what the day. Ah, my anime you are no ra for 3 days. What the day? Our background in catering. I know running restaurants, Kokumase Patasi Estate, Bisobia, or Metro on a pub. And you know, I had an energy home. When a corner call make a sigh. Way or may ya no can say a yampa, say a yampa. Nipa na oyo you name the face behind the voice. Na dia na che say Vivian kwaje contract bi. Na Vivian kwa men kan boss why campaign am nipa okay me hia no wo. Me hu video sa one ye maame Lordina edin kita ho nti obviously ono so ye NDC ni. Now party aba power. Na so obi abedidi a na one onidi. Eh. Na opa maame a o ka say wo serious o. One need we campaign. School feeding no. Wo na be no amagana for nkwala egina edidi. Fa akra no fe kuma asenka we asembe. And you people think it's funny because on pen asemti no. Eye say e funny. Obi threat obi say obi chanensa amani di moja kokuma ase. O sere. Because your sister no. Na de tie bra. Tie na tie threat a e wom bra. Na me report ma Ghana police anopay. So sister Nenkwa is at stake. Tie bra sisi a.
Odin sasili ne bebe kumase. Me twetwa nsa nyina to agu. Meli me na me kan he. Wa record me kasa send ya mama Gloria. Emfa me ho. Maka se me Vivian Jill oba. Wo mra me constituency aso obenu aduane. Me twetwa nsa nyina to agu na makodam. Me pe. Mo ka se agimi wo ho. Mo de ye adwuma wi a ye agimifo o ma mo. Monkwa na mo daka mu ayeye. Monkwa na mo sisi akese ayeye.
Ya becha mo say no west ni so hasha no pe ade enche ni egusu sua de edi ni Gloria. Nya Gloria. Edi no Gloria no so spell di mechi. Gloria. Boma abra wo sua de anope. Wo anu adidi adu sua de. Ha? Na afei no nipa na Gloria. Gloria. What it? Na nipa na wo ya ade no. Ye pese ehu the face behind it. Listen. Industry no woman na de achi bia no obi aram no abi attacking industry person and you have industry people supporting her. Watchna bi no. Ade abechi na wo na obi attack wo. It's about time mo be back together. I support mo. Sister, how many times in po and I was telling no kasa. Sister, you'll be hiding, Vivian Jill, or you'll be pan or hiding. That bank pan wants a sister, I set a ring light, I must say TV. So would you be at the 1 year be that? Now I would email you crowd who bossy Mary. At me about threatening will be so bad to channel, and you people think it's funny because you don't like it, you are laughing. You people think it's funny because I am politics. No. We are not joking. Hello? We are not joking. Not anymore. More beyond be attacking industry person. Especially my American sister. No way. till say Vivian Jill babe kasa. Abeka the side of the story abechimu. We are treating the case as a criminal case. Will be threatening the life. Good morning, Auntie Mary. Yentwaso. Kwame Eugene Shema, Empress Gifty. I'm making it proud. Watch me. Jentina Walker say. Wano and a troll. Gifting you. Watch me, no. I'm on sign. Watch me. Yeah, watch me. Moon shady. Yeah, me. Oh, my. On a troll. And Kwame Eugene pen game, you know. I sick. Kaka wuchim obi ani ho a Eugene atro nyoma na MPK nti mo guy no what talent or talent na ochema nyom na hitama we're making a power. Let's take a look at that performance no embrace here for ne de your best say twitwa so why once nyame adwuma de once ya kan say be Christ like so wadaroma so Bible ni twa so why stop any no permit so ko to dream twa so why yeah that's it. Your pen game is wild. Sanamekaya no Kwame Eugene. The career save. Hey, mo dear mo. There's a gift, you know. Kwame de be saving the career. Hello. The career saver, the multi-talented wonder kid. He's not a kid anymore. The song, dear, you write her mum, and she's the perfect person to execute. Mumbo ma Kwame Eugene. Boy, no, see a talent to Vadus. And Patrol, quick one, Miss Remo. Sister Sandy, say my number pay na very easy. See I say what say be call be about it me wa. Try to the enye adwuma wa ha. Aw me boss we be kofi ambedu. No lie. Try to enye adwuma wa ha. Ye sura de anka amfa ye adwuma no. What? Munyai twitwa so ho ansa no what was. What? Na me wish me producer and the best friend of 20 years OPD. Was the best friend here. One in a diagro 20 good years. Mumbo mano na obiding bombo mano. What's the name? Was say happy birthday and call Enfa and my best friend May. Oba May, Mavis Yami in shroud page, Yami shroud ton quanem. Eagle wear guso pam near my materials I saw to her fabric wholesale GH. Warehouse kesi ko ye ma material bia pe ye ndwija emfama wo me de best Richmond eta mechi OPD me producer well be Kofi Ampadu ojane na so a wo hwese bibia be koye Mark Weber and so director ewo ho Thomas I see you and inside cinematographer Uncle Thomas Ola Michael and a kind of Moses Eugenia Baden will makeup department who's aboafo ne mo boma aboafo mu nyina aka me ho and a the me the best na mama madwada me ka say obi threaten me what mama madwada me yesa montwitwa man frebiem what me the best I'm the guy Square Center Monday I will be back mama fa black hole angel quite chick